Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a quick smoky eye, a daytime wear for your office, your college, or wherever you guys are going in the daytime. This is very appropriate to wear. I'll do a tutorial step by step on how to do this eye look. Please keep on watching, and if you like this video, I would request you to please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's do the second eye. I've already done the first eye, as you can tell. We'll be working on this look right here. I'll work on the second look for you guys. For this soft bronzy daytime matte look, I'll be using a Morphe palette, and this is a 25B. I love this palette. It's very versatile. It has all the matte shades from light to mediums to darks, all the glossy shimmery shades also that you can work around with so many different ways. So I'll be working with the first two shades, the lightest shades of them all, on the front of my eyelids. Oh, by the way, I'm using a brush from MAC. It's a MAC 252. MAC 252. Please don't mind if I'm not talking as much because I have a hard time concentrating at the same time. So I have the light shade all over the lid. I'll now be picking up, I'll be mixing a few shades from here. I'll be mixing a medium brown and a taupey brown, and I'll take it on a fluffier Inglot brush. This is a 6SS by Inglot. It's a very fluffy blending brush. So I'll be using these shades with the blending brush on the outer corner of my lid. Take your time with blending, because the more you blend, the more soft the look will turn out to be. Don't pick up too much product at one time, otherwise what happens is if you pick up too much product at one time and you place it down, usko blend karna zyada mushkil hota hai as compared to picking up little product at a time and blending it out to your liking and then adding it as you need, or as much as you need, or as less as you need. Also here you have to make sure, like I have already one eye done, I have to make sure that my other eye matches, this eye matches with the other eye, otherwise it'll look all uneven, which nobody would want. With a very tiny precise, like a pencil brush. This is by Wet n Wild. This is P10 by Wet n Wild. I'll list all the products down in the description box below, just so you know what exactly I've used in case you miss it out in the video while I'm speaking. I'll pick up the darkest shade that's in this palette, little tiny bit, and then you want to place this shade on your lash line. So be very careful, take your time, be very calm. This will give you a smoky cat eye look, but very soft, since it's all browns that we're working with. Since it's a daytime look, although the shade looks very black in the palette, it's not even a dark brown. It's like a taupey brown. Don't be afraid to play with shades. I'm going to pick up my Inglot brush again with no product on it again. No product. I'm not going to dip it into any more eyeshadow. I'll take that up and blend out all the edges of this eyeshadow and on the top. You want your eyeshadow to look seamless rather than looking, making it look layered. You want to look seamless as if it's an ombre effect. That looks more natural. Now I see that I can see a lot more brown, and the lighter shade in the front that I'd put on in the first place, it's missing or it's hidden. So I'm going to pick up my MAC flat brush again and pick up those two shades, the two lighter shades, and just inner corner of the lids I'm going to place that shade again, because you want the inner corners to be lighter and you can have the outer corners to be darker. It'll give you a cat eye effect, and inner corners should always be lighter, otherwise you look like you have hooded eyes, you have closed eyes, your dark circles will be a lot more visible. So hamesha inner corners light shade hona chahiye. And once again, I'm going to pick up the same brush with no product on it, blend it out so it all looks seamless. I'm going to take a kajal pencil. This is by Maybelline, Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil, right here. This is a little creepy. You got to fill that in with a black shade. Your watery eyes for a second. I'm going to pick a flat shader brush. This is by Morphe M432. Again, I'll list it down below. I'll mix a few shades. The middle row, the bottom row middle shade, and this shade right here. Pick it up, and I'm going to do my bottom lash line. And make sure you connect your bottom lash line to your top. Otherwise, it'll look incomplete. You have to make sure your makeup is seamless. Only till 1/3 of your eye do your dark shadow. Don't do it all the way in. Again, you don't want your eyes to look closed and hooded. You want the inner part of your eye, right here, right from here to here, to be light shade. That's why we highlight the inner shade also. Pick up a blending brush. This is by Wet n Wild again, with no product on it. I'm just going to blend all of this color that we've placed. So next is highlighting the inner corners right here. Highlighting for me is a must. It opens up your eyes. It makes your eyes look brighter. It obviously makes your dark circles less visible. Next is a mascara. I'll be using 2 mascaras. So I'll go in with a non-waterproof first. See? And now I'll be doing my bottom lashes also. Bottom lashes are equally important to do than your top lashes. It's because, first of all, you have lashes down there. You may as well coat them with mascara, and it looks really, really pleasant. It looks gorgeous. And the last and the most important step, you can skip it if you wish to. I like to do it just because it makes it look even better, especially in the daytime, with a dark brown or a medium brown eyeshadow and a mascara. I want my eyes to open up even a little bit more and look daytime pleasant. So any white or a peach or a skin color eyeliner, pencil eyeliner would do. And where you wear your kajal, you would want to wear this. There you go. It looks really pretty. And that is it for the eyes. I hope you guys really like it. Please let me know in the comment box down below as to how you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.